Hi guys, this is Venkat. Welcome back to our channel Travel with 26 Letters. In this exclusive video, I am going to present you how to use matter in English. Does it really matter to you? Yes, it really matters when we are speaking and writing English. It doesn't matter. It mattered a lot at that point of time. So, what is the matter with the matter? Now I am going to teach you with good examples. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get started. Friends, the verb matter can be used in both ways as a noun and a verb. You know, like other verbs, it has four forms like this: matter, mattered, mattered, mattering. One more point here, you have to know this. You should not use mattering in all continuous forms. Generally, in continuous forms, we use ing form. But in all continuous tenses, we should not use mattering like this. It is mattering. It's absolutely wrong. It matters. Okay? As a noun, it can be used like this. What is the matter? That means what's going on here. Sorry. It is purely matter of practice. That means it depends on practice. As a verb, it doesn't matter. You know, when we make negatives, usually use does because subject is it. It doesn't matter. And it mattered a lot at the time. Mattered. So, this is the past form of the verb matter. As a noun, the matter can be used in the sense of issues, affairs. That means the matter is going to take care of it. So look at some examples. It is a matter for me. That means the issue is for me. I will take care of it. Don't involve in that. I will do whatever I know. Okay? Next one. We had important matters to settle. As a noun, matter has plural. That is matters. That means affairs, issues. We had so many issues to settle down. This is not a one. The next one is, there is the matter for you to join college or not. That means it is up to you. That is your choice to join or not in that college. So I don't involve in that. So that is the matter for you. That is the issue for you to join a college. Why? Because you need to go college, but not me. Next one. It's not an easy matter to solve. That means it is a little bit complicated. It's not easy like as you think. It is a little bit complicated matter, and matter means issue, affair. Okay? So think of it. The word matter can be used with the meaning of situations or conditions. Example. If you get good job, surely matters will change. That means if you get good job, the situations, that means the conditions in your family or society, the respecting, the treatment to you, everything will change. Every situation will change if you get good job. Next one. By lying, matters may be worsening. So that means there is no use of telling lies. So you must tell the truth. By lying, that means by saying lie, matters may be worsening. That means the matter is going to worsen, deeper worsen. So that's why you should not tell lie. The next use of matter as a noun is the key point of doing something or depend on something. The crux of the point, the main thing of the point. Example, learning any language is purely matter of practice. That means the more you practice, the more you are able to speak any language. That means it is purely matter of practice. The key element of learning English language or any language, that is the practice. Okay? Next one. Some people prefer to have tea. It is a matter of taste. Why? Because they really taste for it. They really like the taste of tea. That's why so many people prefer to have tea than other kind of beverages. Next one. It's nothing but a matter of hard work to get success. It means to get success, we need a lot of hard work. We have to do a lot of hard work. Without hard work, we can't get success. The key element of getting success is surely hard work. Next use of matter as a noun is if somebody is upset, somebody is down, somebody is unhappy. In that case, generally we ask what happened to him. In place of that, you can use what is the matter with him. And also if someone has problem and is there anything problem at that time also, we can use generally matter. How it can be? Now I am going to explain you. What is the matter? That means what is the problem? So instead of problem, you can use matter. Next one. What is the matter with him? That means what happened to him? What's wrong with him? We can use what's wrong with him. It is also one of the best expressions in English. So, is anything matter? That means, is anything problem to you? Has anything happened to you? You look down, you look dull, you look dim, you look weak. You can use so many adjectives in place of down. So you appear dull, you appear weak, you look so weak. Is there anything problem? Is there anything matter? So in place of problem, you can use matter. So if you say answer like this, nothing is the matter. That means nothing is the problem. I'm perfectly okay. I'm absolutely okay. No problem here, no matter here. Okay. Next one. He has bought a new bike. So what was the matter with the old one? So here old one means old bike. New one means new bike in this case. So is there anything problem to old bike? That's why he has bought a new one. So just for inquiring in that case we use matter. Last one. What is the matter with you today? So sometimes some people are behaving a little bit strange, a little bit odd. At that time you can ask like this. Why are you talking like that? Yeah, you behave strange, you behave some rather odd. Why are you talking like that? So in that case it is better to use the matter like this. What is the matter with you today? Now I'm going to explain you how to use matter as a verb. Like any other kind of verbs, it has four forms like this. Matter, mattered, mattered, mattering. And one more thing here, you have to know that it should not be used in all continuous tenses like it is mattering. It is okay if you say it matters, but not, we can't say like this, it is mattering. Okay? So the first use of matter as a verb, that is to be important. So when we are saying something is important, at that case we can use matter. And also have an important effect on somebody or something. Examples. Studies matter a lot to me. That means studies are so important to me, are so essential to me. I don't want to know any other kind of things. Just the studies are so essential to me. So essential, important. So in place of them you can use matter. Next one. Getting job really matters to him at the time. Matters. Getting job is considered as a third person singular. That's why just we add s to the verb matter. Finally we got matters. Getting job really matters, actually matters to him at that time. So getting job was so important to him at that point of time. Next one. The money didn't matter me when my son's health was not good. It's true. Why? Because when, that means at the point of time my son's health was not good. He was in critical condition. Really, the money didn't matter me. So here we use simple past tense in negative. Didn't matter. Next one. Having job really matter to me. So I had to join despite low salary. Despite low salary, that means getting low salary, but I had to join at that time. Why? Because having job really matter to me. Getting job or having job really actually so important to me at that time. That's why I had to join despite low salary. Friends, the next expression is it doesn't matter. It is widely used in spoken English. It means it's not as much as you think. It's not as much as important as you think. It is a small issue. You don't care. So in that case, you use this kind of wonderful expression. Look at some examples for your clear understanding. Thanks a lot for your help. Thank you very much for your help. After getting some kind of help from anyone, usually we say this kind of expression. So to answer that, it's okay, it doesn't matter. So it means it's not as much as you important. It's a small issue. Just I have done a small thing. Next one. I'm sorry, I haven't seen you, sir. So when some kind of program is going on, so unfortunately we may not see some kind of important persons. At that time usually we are saying like this, I'm sorry I haven't seen you, sir. I'm sorry I haven't seen you, ma'am. So to answer that, they are saying it doesn't matter, carry on, go ahead. That means it's not as much as important you think, just go on. Next one. I'm afraid I can't catch you. I can't get you. Here I'm afraid means it's nothing but I'm sorry. I can't get you, I can't catch you means I can't understand what you are saying. I can't follow you what you are saying. So to reaction that is simply you can say that it doesn't matter. And that means it's not as much as important as you think. Just is a casual matter. There is no need to repetition. The next expression is does it matter? It means is that so important right now. So when you are questioning is something is important, at the time you usually use this kind of expression. I left my pocket comb at home. Does it matter now? That means is that so important now? So without comb, won't they allow us to write examination? You are writing exam. Go ahead. Think about that first. Next one. We don't have a car. Does it matter really? So in case if you don't have a car, does it really so important right now? Let's take a taxi. So we have to go on and taxi. What is the problem here? Next one. Does it really matter who did it? You know, who did it? It is in simple past tense. Does it really matter? It is in simple present. So some action did by someone else. Does it really matter to us who did it? That means, is that so important to us? Who did the action? It doesn't matter to us. Never mind. Do your work, do your job. Friends, the next expression is what does it matter? It means so what? What happened to you? What does it matter? So, examples. He is not going to help me. Okay. What does it matter? So what? Am I not here to help you? Surely I will help you, don't worry. So, in case we are giving some kind of assurance, so you need not worry. So, what happened? You don't care. Okay? Next one. She doesn't talk to me. What does it matter? You can talk to her. So, she doesn't talk to me. So, I feel worry. No, you need not worry. It doesn't matter. What does it matter? So, what happened? So, what? You can talk to her. You have to move. Next one. I don't have matching shoes. What does it matter? That means, is that so important right now? Having matching shoes? What does it matter? So what? Wear another one. Wear another kind of shoes. The next one is no matter. No matter means it doesn't matter. Whatever happens, whatever it is, in that case generally we use this kind of phrase. Some kind of examples, let me say. No matter what you say, I can't believe you. That means whatever you say, whatever you are going to say, I can't believe you are a liar. You are always lying. So there is no value for your words. Please don't tell me such kind of lies. Whatever you say, I can't believe you. No matter where he is, the police won't leave him. I'm sure, I'm confident. When something is going to happen, we believe strongly at the time. We use generally some kind of phrases like this. I'm sure, I'm confident. I'm sure the police will nab him. The police will catch him. No matter where he is, that means wherever he is. No matter the weather, we will go to the marriage. The weather, it is a noun. You know, you observe after no matter, directly we use the noun. No matter the weather, no matter the situation, we will go to the marriage. That means certainly, surely we will go to attend the marriage. Friends, what clothes you wear, what qualification you have, it doesn't matter anymore. How you speak an interview is really matters. So, to speak confidently in English in interview, please visit our channel, Travel with 26 Letters. Thanks a lot for watching my videos.